Good evening, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity. But I would first tell you need a little patience. I am somebody who owns the machine since 4.5 years. So at least 4 minutes I need. And I would be talking a little differently from what all other people say. You people are very, very, very lucky that you had somebody to invite you today and give you a recommendation. See, I have used it, it's very nice, you also try. For me, this machine is God sent. Sudesh ji introduced me this machine. I was in my office and he came to give the demo to my boss. That day I had extra work, so I was staying in office and I overheard. 4.5 years back, the machine was pretty new in India and we hardly had testimonials here. But the moment I saw the demonstration, I had ample reason to take quick decision that I needed. Reason being, my husband had severe acid reflux issue and he was once even hospitalized because of that. He had a very, very severe thing. हमें लगता है गैस बहुत छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है, एसिडिटी क्या है, कुछ खाने से होती है. But जिनका severity केस है उन्हें मालूम है कि hospitalization भी होता है. He even had a hole in his food pipe. So the moment I got to know about it, I got a hope that later on, he's a proper Gujju, I'm a Punjabi married to him. So food, हम लोग जितना मर्जी मॉडर्नाइज होके थोड़ा ऑयल कम करें, घर वालों को जब तक तेल नहीं दिखता है, खाना लगता है अच्छा नहीं है, तो वो मेरे कंट्रोल से बाहर था. But one thing which was in my control was to buy this machine. So first reason I got was that. Second, Japa says this is a machine which can be given to, the water can be fed to elders. नवाज मैम ने इतने साल के बाद भी ट्रस्ट किया इसे क्योंकि हमारे पास सर्टिफिकेशन है. My baby was 2.5 and my mother-in-law was 70 years old. They cannot eat heavy food, they cannot chew dry fruits and cannot go for walks and gyms every day. But this is as a youngster, I would say I'm still young, of course anti-aging हो रहा है. So it's my responsibility to ensure that my child is drinking healthy water, 70% is perfect, and my mother-in-law, it's my duty to ensure that she stays healthy. So that was my second reason. Third reason I had to take a quick decision was I have a family history of breast cancer. My mother had and my buaji had. So maternal, paternal, both sides it was there. And somehow subconscious mind में ये बैठा हुआ था कि 30-35 के बाद आना ही आना है. तो मेरे पास नॉर्मल इंश्योरेंस के अलावा HDFC की 10 लाख की कैंसर इंश्योरेंस थी. श्योरिटी, सिक्योरिटी, हम उसके लिए एक हैवी प्रीमियम दे देते हैं. When I got to know about this machine, I did my research. इंडियन टेस्टिमोनियल्स बहुत नहीं थे पर बाहर के थे. तो मुझे एक होप मिला कि सुदेश जी जो कह रहे हैं अगर उसमें 5% भी फैक्ट है और एक उम्मीद है कि मुझे कैंसर नहीं होगा, I should try. And trust me, friends, I can take a separate session of 4 hours just sharing how much I have been benefited, how my family has been benefited. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें तो हम आपको बोलते ही नहीं है कि ये बेनिफिट हो सकते हैं. वो सिर्फ जब आपके घर मशीन आती है, आपके पेट्स में, आपकी फैमिली में, आपके गेस्ट में, सब जगह दिखता है. Now, before I give it to my husband to share one more thing about his testimonial, I want one small thing to be done. जितने लोग यहाँ न्यू है, quickly please अपना मोबाइल निकालिए और एक हाथ में कैलकुलेटर ओपन कीजिए. I want you to do it. I want to share something. Any one person who will tell me also. प्राइसिंग के हिसाब से अगर किसी के दिमाग में चल रहा है कि ये थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, मुझे नहीं लगा था क्योंकि इनका हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन हो चुका था, तो मशीन की कॉस्ट से कम का हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन कॉस्ट 1 हफ्ते में गया था. So that was not my worry, but for rest I want to tell you one thing. Few days back, now dengue is very common right now in Bombay, फैला हुआ है, मुलुंड is full, right? What they suggest you, dragon fruit and other things. Let's talk about coconut water. What is the cost of one coconut water? 60. Ghatkopar gives 60 rupees. 60 rupees Ghatkopar, but let's assume 50. One for one person. 365 days. It's a very healthy thing. आप अगर healthy रहना चाहते हैं, हम कैंगर नहीं चाहते. Multiply with 365. What is the total? 21. Multiply with 15. मैं 25 नहीं कह रही हूँ. Multiply with 15.
273.
18,250.
I think this 50 will multiply. Can we buy this machine? One coconut water bought every morning. Whom you will give? Half sharing with my husband is possible. My mother-in-law and child is still left. Let's invest in this machine. The benefits are unimaginable. The reason I'm giving mic to my husband is I want him to talk to you about one thing which happened after even we purchased machine. He had a heart attack 2 years after we bought this machine. He was 36 And I later on got to know that it's a family history, and he survived.
Yeah.
I'm back.
Thank you, Akanksha. And beautiful presentation by Vinod. Loved it. Whenever I see it again, I feel really excited about why I bought the machine. And I always get the right answer. I did the right thing. Maybe the life has also taught me the same. First, as she spoke about the acidity problem, it's actually called GERD, which is gastroenterologist reflux disease, in which the acid keeps rising in your food pipe and it completely destroys. Actually, when it happened, twice it happened before, and my doctor was treating me for the wrong reasons. So he was keeping me, on the medicine all the time, and that used to aggravate the acidity more. Then I met with the right doctor, and he said, sorry, it's already been done. So he operated me, and he made some valves around the bottom of my food pipe, saying that the acidity won't rise. Oh, but sorry, it still kept rising. So now I cannot get a burp, so nothing comes on from the up. Vomiting is also not possible. And in this situation, food gets stuck in your throat. So you can imagine, like, for 2-3 days, they keep me only on saline because the food has to go inside on its own. Then they started giving me a proton pump inhibitor. It is a kind of a steroid which does not produce acid in your stomach. So now when you don't have acid in your stomach, how will you digest the food? So it reduces, and that started one more problem, that you are not digesting the food properly, and now your intestine is getting a bit weak on that sense. So the doctor said, now let's do this. They sent my all reports to TIFR. Is it a cancer or not? It's not a cancer. They are still studying on it. And they kept me on medicine. The medicine was 6 months. I have to take the pump. 6 months I don't have to take it because it's a steroid. It destroys the body. So when she just was very, very sad about it, and we met Sudeshji, we took the machine, and in 3 months I felt a relief. So I stopped my pump completely, and I didn't tell my doctor. A bad thing, I know. After 3 months I went to him. He did the endoscopy and he said, what have you been doing? It's working now. And I said, I've stopped your medicine, I am taking this water. He was surprised and I was happy. Since then, I think more than 3 years now, I have stopped all my medicines. I'm not on it. But in between, what happened was, sorry, I'm taking more time. I had a heart attack because of the lifestyle again. And when I was admitted, I was walking. It was a multiple heart attack. But I was walking, and the doctor, when he saw me, he started shouting. I mean, is this guy mad? He's having a heart attack and he's walking. So he made me lie down and he asked me, is it paining? I said, too much. So he said, how are you then walking? Then I said, I don't know. So they made all the tests and all, and after that, there was one more person just besides me, in the next room, and he was shouting, and I said, what happened? He said, he's also having a heart attack. But I survived. Next day when the doctor came, I came to know that the other person has already gone. And I was surviving. And the doctor was just going through my medications and everything. And he said, how is it possible? I don't know. But I think you are well hydrated. That's why the reason I put the medicine, it started working on you. And the reason he said that, because the person besides that was dehydrated completely at night when he received the heart attack, so it was very severe for him. So I would say I just follow one thing, that I drink my, at least, when Vinodji was saying that the water is light, I used to drink only 1 glass of water in the entire day, working a lot. I was a banker, and at that time I had the same habit, but now I drink in one sitting 1 liter, and in the entire day, twice I sit in such a way, I've taken a liter of water, which you see, this one. So I keep that water with me when I'm walking. In the morning when I get up, I drink full because I don't want the acid to rise in my body. At evening I do that because at night you don't drink a lot of water.